Hello everyone, in this video I'll talk about Swedish Institute Scholarship for Global Professionals. So here we can see the scholarship description. Swedish Institute Scholarship for Global Professionals, a new scholarship program which replaces Swedish Institute Study Scholarship, offers scholarship for a large number of master's programs at Swedish universities in autumn 2024. Deadline for this scholarship is 15 January, 28 February, and this program is available in Sweden. Host institutes: Swedish Higher Education Institute and Swedish universities. Level of study: full-time 1 or 2 years master program offered by Swedish universities and higher education institutions. About 700 English start master program eligible for SI scholarship for global professional, covering program in the field of humanities, agriculture, medicine, public health, natural sciences, social sciences, technology. You will find the list of eligible master program for the SISGP call for application academic year shortly at the official website. Number of scholarship: they provide scholarship to 350 students and students from following countries. So if you are a student from these countries, then you should apply for that scholarship. Yeah, Pakistan is also here, you can see, and Sri Lanka. You can see these countries are here and you can apply for the scholarship. I can't see if Bangladesh is also here, Philippines. So if you are from these countries, you can apply for the scholarship. I can't see India here, I don't know. Yeah, okay. And scholarship value, inclusions, duration. So this is the scholarship covers full tuition fee, living expenses. Also they will provide the living expenses and insurance and one-time travel grant. So wow, this scholarship is very good. Eligibility criteria is: to be eligible for SISGP, you must be citizen of country that is eligible for SA scholarship, see above. And master's programs you can apply for, you must be eligible for SA scholarships. The university gives priority program within certain subject areas depending on your country of the citizenship. You must have demonstrated work experience. In addition, you must have demonstrated leadership experience from your current or previous employer or from civil society engagement. You must be liable to pay tuition fee to Swedish university, have followed the steps of university admission. So you need to follow all the procedure of the universities to eligible for the scholarship. Instruction: application portal will open on 12th February to 28th February 2024 at official website. To begin with, apply for master program at university admission 15 January. Once you have submitted your application for the master program at university admission, you will get a personal application number consisting of 8 digits. Save the number as you will need it when applying for SI scholarship for global professionals. After you have completed your scholarship to a master program, you can apply for SI scholarship. You must submit the required documents digitally through online application portal. This is the official website of the scholarship. You can take a look here. So yeah, SI global scholarship, and you can see application closed because, as they have mentioned, will open on 12th February. Overview of the scholarship, you can take a look here. 41 countries, as we have saw here, the countries which are eligible to apply for the scholarship. Yeah, here. Key dates, you can take a look here. Coverage of the scholarship. Criteria, citizenship and eligible programs, admission, previous experience, everything. You can take a look here. And if you will have any question related to scholarship, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. I wish you best of luck, and if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to this channel. Yeah, thank you so much for your support, and take care. Bye bye.